Okay, so we want him to move out of the way so you can go talk to your other character up here. So let's go ahead and copy this and paste it, and then shift and click down so you can delete all that. And we're going to change our variable so that when you have 2 crystals, so we're going to go with crystals here, and you want at least 2, so you'd already gotten one in one of your previous caves, and then you got one in the ruins. You are going to player touch, so when you go up to this guy, it's going to say, found 2 crystals. Okay. And I'm going to have him move, make sure it's this event, and we'll have him move, I think, left might work. I'm not sure. Hopefully that will work. And wait for moves completion. And that should be good for now. We're going to say okay. All right. Because for the sake of time, we don't want to have to go through everything that we've done, I'm going to go ahead and just snatch up this crystal. I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to put one, oops, in the fire fort area. Doesn't matter, I guess here is fine. Paste. So I can grab that on my way back when I play through this, and then remember to delete it, just to make sure that it works for him to move. So I'm going to go ahead and play test that and see how that works out for me, starting here. So where did I last leave our starting position? I guess actually I can just leave it there. I'm going to leave it there. All right, let's see what happens. I'm dealing with a lot of glitches today. I'm not sure what's going on. But at any rate, what I did to fix that, when I tried to make him move left, he didn't want to. So I made him move up instead. And that seems to work. So everything's working just fine in this event. I don't really understand why he can't move that way. The only thing I can think of is maybe I put the wrong kind of tile here that may be preventing him versus what I did in my last game, which is now what I'm thinking probably happened. Because I kind of built this a little differently than the first one I made. So probably one of these tiles is preventing him from moving to the left. So just make him move up. He just needs to get out of the way. That's all that matters. Okay. So this guy's out of the way. We want this guy to be able to join your party. No, show text. Oh, wonderful. Found 2 crystals and some of our lost guardians. You can say yes or no. I'm not going to because I've showed you this already a gazillion times and I feel like you don't really need to see it again. And we're going to go ahead and activate. How many we've got now? I think you can have up to 4. So you are already full now. Which means, oh wait, no, you're not. This is the guy right here. It's after this that you're going to have an issue. Okay, so go ahead and initiate that party member. Now you have a party of 4. You can make this extra special by adding sound to this, more text. You can do the question yes or no, set that up, however you want to do it. I'm going to keep it simple right now. Okay, so we're done with that one. I will be showing you in an upcoming tutorial how you can make a separate map to transport to that will let you change your party members once you get more, because we have plans of having, I think I have 7 party members you can choose from. But because rmxp only allows you to play up to 4 characters at a time in your party, you have to be able to switch them out some way. So I will be showing you how to do that in maybe the tutorial after next. So the next one we're doing is we're going to need 2 more maps. I'm going to show you how to use a switch with like a code on it, and we'll see you there.